Hey guys, so here is our PC build. I don't know if I put a somewhat finished product off with it, but here's it running. And I want to say it has the Ryzen, so it has a Ryzen 7 5000 series. I think it's the 5800 XT. And this is what we've got rolling inside, and it's actually doing very good. But we've been having issues with sound and like headphones and stuff. Everything, like, we can hear, but we can't do any voice with the microphone. For whatever reason, I don't know what it is. So we had to get this like webcam to take care of the audio out issue so that the kids can play games. I mean, you can see it's up and working good. But other than that, so I tried to we've also had this cable running across our floor, you know, for our internet. I installed that internet situation, and I was not able to successfully, right here would be the end of it, get it hooked in, because the outputs are not the same as what I have for outputs, I guess what you would say, on the motherboard, because I think the internet, the Wi-Fi, whatever you want to call it, connector is too new. So I might have to go back a generation, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I might just go and get a cheap USB situation and try that route. And I know cables are hanging out, but I'm not fully finished with it. But yeah, so I don't know if anybody knows a lot about the Wi-Fi plug-in situation, and being too new for your motherboard, but I feel like we may be in that situation and problem right now. If you know anything, let me know. It would help me out a ton. Thank you very much. And that's the PC. Thank you.